All right, here we go with the March 19th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Meteorologist Matthew East along with you. There's a look at our Greensboro Tower camera during the 5 a.m. hour. Temperature 48 degrees, a little bit of a south wind stirring around, so the wind chill at 44. We'll take a peek down in Charlotte, looking toward Bank of America Stadium early this morning. Temperature over the Charlotte Douglas International Airport at 53 degrees. There were your highs yesterday. It was a nice Sunday. Good day to spend some time outside. Temperatures got up into the 70s in a good chunk of South Carolina. It was low to mid 60s across the Triad viewing area, and then mid and upper 60s across the Piedmont of North Carolina, even 70 in Morganton, and heading into the upper 50s yesterday up in the high country. I should say mid to upper 60s in the Charlotte part of the Piedmont region yesterday. Now, all right, temperatures this morning look like that, 40s and 50s. Not a bad morning underway, but we do have some clouds building into the region, and we're going to see a good deal of cloud cover here as we continue through the course of today. Now you look at what's happening rain-wise into Georgia, South Carolina, eastern Tennessee. Some showers continue to develop. There's been some big thunderstorms this morning in Florida in the Panhandle region. In fact, right now, a blue outlined area there, that's a severe thunderstorm warning in the Big Bend region of Florida. A couple of severe thunderstorm warnings in the Mississippi Delta region earlier. Some active severe storms right now as I cut the video in eastern parts of Oklahoma and Arkansas. Also there in eastern Kansas. Pretty interesting state of weather in Kansas right now. Anywhere from severe weather in the far eastern part of the state to heavy snow in the western part of the state. Now here is our temperatures this morning across the southeast. Pensacola at 71, New Orleans 72, Montgomery, Alabama 64, Birmingham at 61. So some warmer, more unstable air getting drawn northward ahead of that system. So here is our future radar product, the high resolution rapid refresh. And notice as we get into this afternoon and especially early this evening, some big storms in Tennessee and north and central Alabama. There's a pretty significant threat of severe weather today in parts of the Tennessee Valley and the southeast. Especially they're focused in north central Alabama into middle Tennessee, places like Birmingham, Tupelo, Huntsville, Nashville. In a Category 3 or enhanced risk of severe weather, damaging winds, and even, of course, some tornadic activity is a possibility with this system. Now, for North Carolina, we generally stay on the cool side of a warm front today, and it really doesn't push much northward tonight. So I don't anticipate severe weather problems in North Carolina. I can't totally rule it out in parts of South Carolina and certainly Georgia. But for most of North Carolina, some showers at times today, and then our period of heaviest rain will come through overnight tonight. There's your highs this afternoon. Notice on the cooler side of things here in a good chunk of the Carolinas. Now tomorrow that low pressure will work through. Notice if you can see here the northerly flow on the back side of that system. So it looks like a pretty cool Piedmont day and foothill day tomorrow. Clouds, some showers at times. There's our Tuesday highs. That number in Charlotte could be optimistic, just kind of depending on how that low-level air mass unfolds behind the system. Now we get out to Wednesday. A lot of folks have been talking about the chance for a few snowflakes Wednesday. Yes, there is the opportunity for some snowflakes, or even some snow showers as that system gradually pulls away Wednesday. Certainly the mountains are going to pick up some snow with this. There's your Wednesday high temperatures across the region. Let me show you a couple models here. This is the European model. What I want to show you and what I want you to take note of here is that certainly the heaviest footprint of snow this time around likely to stay north of the Carolinas. There's the European, there's the GFS model. Same basic idea. Now I will show you this, and then I'll circle back to the severe weather threat for today at the end of the video, but I will show you this. This is the North American model, the NAM, the 3 kilometer. That is Wednesday morning, right at the very tail end of the run. Let's see if I can, there we go, yeah. All right, so that is valid, 3 o'clock in the morning, Wednesday morning. That is valid 6 a.m. Wednesday and then 7 a.m. Wednesday. So it is a little bit more aggressive with the snow on the backside of the system. We'll watch it. The Canadian is not overly excited about this, but there's Wednesday daybreak. There's Wednesday early afternoon. The Canadian does try to put down a few wet snowflakes, even dusting of snow in parts of the region. So I can't rule out, again, a dusting in a couple spots in the Piedmont and North Carolina, especially up near the Virginia border Wednesday. At this point, though, I'm thinking this is more of a novelty with the heaviest snow focused further off to the north. Now, finally, back to today's severe weather threat in the Tennessee Valley. A couple of things to show you. This is the significant tornado parameter. See if I can resize this where you can see it a little better. Yep, stand by. Here we go. All right, let me pull this image up a little bit, and then we'll scroll it down. All right, so there you go. North Central Alabama. Pretty significant values there, getting up into the concerning range of the significant tornado parameter. This is off the NAM model, and this is valid, early this evening. So that's something to watch, again, for the Tennessee Valley region, but it stays pretty stable over on the Carolina side of things, at least in North Carolina. All right, that is it for the latest edition of the video. Everybody have a wonderful day, and God bless.